Austin Prince Banda. 7 years old na siya today. Sobrang malambing. Sobrang mabait na bata. Sobrang masunurin and matalino, lalo sa school. Galing-galing sa school niyan.
Gonna rock it, gonna fly. Here's a ticket, take a ride.
Happy birthday, Austin! Oh, thank you for inviting me.
Happy birthday, Austin! Enjoy your birthday!
Happy birthday, Austin! Lagi makinig kay Mommy and Daddy.
I wish you all the best today. And I wish that every single day you will be kind to others and help others.
Happy 7th birthday, anak Austin. Enjoy your birthday. Kahit wala dyan si Daddy, pasensya ka na, dito ako sa trabaho. Anyway, andyan naman yung mga friends mo, classmates mo, tsaka family natin. I also want to recognize your studies kasi nakikita ko matataas yung grades mo. Mabait ka rin at magalang. Palagi mo lang tandaan, anak, na mahal ka ni Daddy. At yun, happy birthday ulit.
Sa'yo, Austin, palagi kang mag-study kasi alam ko matalino kang bata, kaya
laging pakabit kay mama tsaka kay mami tsaka kay daddy.
Sana wish namin ni Daddy na always kang healthy, mabuting bata lang palagi. At maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo, syempre, di ba? Enjoy lang, di ba? Happy birthday, Kuya!
I love you, Mom. Because you celebrate my birthday.
Oh, thank you. I love you too. Love din namin ni Daddy.
Happy 7th birthday, Tang. Today is all about you, filled with fun, laughter, and all things that you love. You are growing up so fast and becoming such a smart, kind, and awesome kid. Keep dreaming big and shining bright. You bring so much joy to those around you. Happy birthday. I love you.